Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about two campaigns that are search campaign and PMax campaign. So let's start. We will explore the difference between search campaign and smart campaign in Google Ads. These two campaign types offer distinct benefits catering to different advertising strategies and objectives. Number one, what are search campaign? Google has highly customizable campaigns designed to show your ads on the Google search network when users search for specific keywords related to your business. Here are key features. Key targeting. You can select specific keywords to trigger your ads. Control over keywords match type, broad, phrase, exact. Ad customization. Created multiple ad variation. Use ad extension to provide additional information, site link, call out, structure, snippets. Bid management. Set manual or automatic bid based on your budget and goal. Use bid adjustment to optimize performance based on device, location and time. Detailed reporting. Access comprehensive performance data. Analyze metrics like CTR, clicks and impression conversions. Search campaign offer greater control and customization, making them ideal for advertisers with specific targeting requirement and a need for detailed performance insights. Number two, what are smart campaigns? So smart campaigns are designed to simplify the advertising process, marketing it easy for businesses to get started with Google Ads. Here are the key features. Automated targeting. Google automatically identifies the best keywords and audience. Uses machine learning to optimize the ad placements. Simplified ad creation. Create ad quickly with minimum input. Google automatically generate ad variation based on your business information. Automated bidding. Google manage bid to maximize your budget. Focus on driving the most valuable action call, visits, purchase. Basic reporting. Provide essential performance metrics, easy to understand insights without in-depth analysis. Smart campaign are perfect for small businesses or those new to Google Ads, offering a hassle-free setup and automated optimization to drive result. Minimum efforts. Number three, key difference. Let's summarize the key difference between search campaign and smart campaign. Control and customization. Search campaigns high level of control over keywords, ad and bidding. Smart campaigns automatic targeting, ad creation and biddings. Targeted audience search. Search campaign suitable for experienced advertising with specific goals. Smart campaigns ideal for small businesses and beginners seeking simplicity. Reporting and insights. Search campaign performance data for in-depth analysis. Smart campaign basic metrics with easy to understand insights, setup and management. Search campaign require more time and expertise for setup and ongoing management. Smart campaigns quick setup with the automated management. In meantime of conclusion, the choose between search and smart campaign depend on your advertising goal, experience and available resources. If you need precise control and detailed insights, search campaign are way to go. However, if you prefer a straightforward automated approach, smart campaign offer an excellent solution for getting started with Google Ads. Thank you for joining us in explore of search campaign and smart campaign in Google Ads. Think this video is helpful to you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.